Anyway, I got lost in Ateneo when I was here on my way to the Com building. This is the Com building, right? Yeah. Because I asked the guard a while ago, sabi ko, Manong guard, saan ba rito yung Com building? Sir, pumunta ka dun sa diretso ka lang, pagka after ng 5 humps, kumaliwa ka. Nandun na yung Com building? Hindi. Nandun yung kasama ko, sa kanya niyo yung tanong. Ganun na naman ulit nangyari. Tapos, I saw this American guy with a beard, tall guy, and I asked him, "Sir, where's the Com building?" And he said, "Pare, bumaba ka na lang doon, tapos kumaliwa ka." I don't know who he is. I think it's one of your faculty members, Ma'am Chichi. Hindi ko alam. All you guys are graduating, right? No? Some are, right? This is your culminating activity. So, I'm Stanley Chi, as you guys know, and I'm Chinese. I think it's obvious. 100% Chinese, and I think if you're Chinese in this country, people ask you stupid questions. Kahit pag foreigner ka, even Filipinos try to think of questions para lang may tanong sa'yo. They ask, Stanley Chi, Chinese ka pala, di ba? Oh. Eh di yung parents mo Chinese din. Natural. Chinese ka pala. Marunong ka ba mag-karate? Yung karate pang Hapon. Chinese ako kaya Kung Fu. So marunong ka mag-Kung Fu. Hindi lahat ng Chinese marunong mag-Kung Fu. So ano alam mong gawin? Karate. I noticed you guys are very young. Back then, things are different. I'm an 80s kid. All you have to do back then was press up, down, left, right, BA, select, start, and you'll have 30 minutes faster. We don't even have cell phones. All we have is this big walkie-talkie that if you want to meet up with someone, you have to do this, Sierra Tango Charlie, saan tayo mag-meet, Sierra Tango Charlie, saan na tayo? Sa McDonald's Moraita, And when you're in McDonald's Moraita, there's actually a lot of you guys who are gonna meet up kasi hindi lang ikaw yung nasa channel na yun, marami kayo. We even use pager para makalusot. We don't even buy one. But things are different right now. Even the telenovelas, back then they're a bit different. You always have this narrator saying, ang nakaraan, nakita na ni Mara ang diary. Saan haantong ang dulang ito? Abangan bukas. Right now, telenovelas are different. They have faster pacing, but they have subliminal messages about drugs. Yeah, drugs. Like si Darna, she's on drugs. Di ba nagbabato siya para maging Darna? Si Ding, siya yung pusher. Kasi, you always see Narda say, "Ding, Ding, ang bato, Ding!" Pag nakuha niya yung bato, you realize nakakalipad ka pala pag nagbato ka, di ba? When you guys graduate, sports is a great way to earn a lot of money. You see, Ronnie Alcano, he just got ₱1 million from the president. Di ba? Si Champion of Champions, Efren Bata Reyes, he's won a lot of awards abroad, here and abroad. And Manny Pacquiao, of course, he's got tons of endorsements. He's even gonna be running for, I don't know, congressman. I think he's gonna enroll in Ateneo, di ba? Napanood niyo yun? But you have to be careful because when you're famous and popular, you get interviewed in TV programs like 24 Oras and TV Patrol. Because I saw Manny Pacquiao being interviewed, sabi niya kay Julius, Julius asked this question, "Manny, magkano ba talaga na panalunan mo?" Sir, pwedeng wag na natin pag-usapan yan. And in another channel, it's Mel Chanco interviewing Manny Pacquiao. But if it's Mel Chanco, you have to be careful because she's a bit tricky. She asked Manny, "Manny, magkano ba talaga na panalunan mo?" "Ma'am, pwedeng wag na natin pag-usapan yan, please." Sige Manny, iibay ko na yung tanong ko. Anong gagawin mo sa napanalunan mo? Kasi Tita Mel, yung bahay ko, 13 million pesos pinagawa ko. Tapos yung nanay ko, binilhan ko ng CRB. Yung tatay ko, binilhan ko ng lupa kasi gusto niya maging magsasaka. Tsaka yung misis ko, binigyan ko ng fireworks display. Tsaka mag-enroll ako sa Ateneo kasi graduate na ako ng high school eh. Yeah. And I see commercials. You guys watch commercials, right? Nakikita niyo mga billboards in EDSA. I noticed that when an advertiser gets an endorser, hindi niya talaga ginagamit yung products. Because I saw in EDSA there's a big billboard of Chris Aquino endorsing a papaya soap. Would you actually believe that she uses the papaya soap? No? Huwag na tayo maglukan kasi mayaman yun eh. I want an endorser that when you use the product, talagang ginagamit niya and you see the before and after effects of the product. Someone like Michael Jackson. Hi, I'm Michael Jackson. And I use black and white skin whitening lotion for men. Because back then, I was black. And now, I'm white. I'm down to my last few jokes. We're performing this Saturday in Conspiracy. So if you're familiar with this kind of comedy, stand-up comedy, American style, you can drop by at Conspiracy. It's only 100 pesos. I'll be with Mr. Mike Unson and Nico Pepito, a spoken word artist. So you can drop by and catch me there, or you can add me in your Friendster accounts. Multiply, meron ako lahat yan eh. I'm gonna be coming out with a book. Comic strip compilation of Chopsticks. The book launch is on May 12, Saturday at Power Books Live. So please join me in celebrating my compilation. Actually, tinamad lang ako mag-compile eh. Dapat matagal na nun eh. Anyway, for my last joke, Filipinos base everything on looks. I was in abroad a few years back. A couple of months ago, I was in abroad. I saw these two Filipinos and I asked for directions. Sabi ko, excuse me, where is the Topayo station in the LRT? Because I was in Singapore. And the guy said, hold on. Turn right and then go straight ahead and then hold on ha. Putsa, paano ba yung kaliwa sa English? Pinahirapan na ako ng chick na to eh. And I heard it, sabi ko, sir, Pilipino ho ako, Pilipino. Pilipino ka? Oo. Pero hindi, mukha kang Chinese eh. Marunong ka magkarate? Thank you very much. I'm Stanley Chi. Who's the next performer? You can catch me at youtube.com. Just type my name, Stanley Chi. You'll see all my videos on the internet. I'll be coming up with a website. It's stanleychi.com. So thank you very much. Just type